Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do a glitter eye makeup first time. So if it's not perfect, please bear with me. So in this makeup look, I'm gonna use so many products which I'm gonna list down in the screen. So keep looking and let's begin. So first I have moisturized my face and then I have used the Benefit Primer. इसे मैंने अपने पूरे चेहरे में लगा लिया है. Then I will use the orange lipstick to correct the darkness on my face. And after that, I'm going to use this Technic palette and put it on my eyes and on the dark circles. It all depends on you if you want to conceal before or after the foundation. I have first concealed and now I'm applying the foundation using the Revlon one mixed with the Iba Halal mist, and now I'm going to powder my face. You can also use a makeup sponge to do all this. Today I'm using a brush. And now after doing my eyebrows, I'm going to highlight it with the concealer so that it looks more edgy and very sharp the way I like it. Now we are going to do the eye makeup, starting with the Maybelline Nudes palette, which is my favorite palette. First I have used shade number 3 and then I'm using the shade number 8 and I'm defining it with the brush slowly and steadily so that it looks very neat. I'm trying to make it look neat and very edgy. So keep on doing that with the brush, and then I'm using the shade number 3 and the second last shade mixed on the lids. And now I'm going to use the glitter, TS Cosmetics glitter in the shade Canon. This one is a non-glue based glitter and you do not need any extra glue additionally. You just have to apply this with the finger first and then use a brush like I am doing. To pick up the extra glitter, I am using a sellotape and it's all gone. Now to correct my mistakes, I am using a concealer followed by a liquid pen liner. This one is by Maybelline. And now time for mascara. This one is L'Oreal Superstar, which is 2-in-1. First I'm going to use the white color so that it gives the base and makes it more dense. And now after it dries up, I'm going to use the black one, regular one. And now it looks very fluttery and very dense without any falsies. Whatever I did on my upper lids, I'm going to follow that on my lower lids as well. Time for some blush. This one is by Mars and I'm using the pink shade from here so that it looks all flushy and very fresh and radiant. And with the same Maybelline palette, I'm going to make the contouring. This is the number 8 and you can also use the number 6 if you are slightly darker than me. It will work perfectly fine. I'm going to define all those things are required to define. And now it's time for some highlight, my favorite part. I'm going to use the Colourpop Wisp, which is perfect for the Indian skin tone. It is the right mix of golden and silver. And friends, now we have reached the climax. Now it's time for the lips. First I'm going to define it by the lip liner and then I'm going to use a lip primer for the first time in this video. And then we are going to use my favorite matte liquid lipstick by Colourpop. This is in the Bumble shade, but I wanted to make it more bright, so I used the shade Mars. You can go with the usual pink nude shades, but I love this beautiful bright shade with the glitter eyes. So that's it for the finished look. I hope you guys like this glittery eye makeup with the touch of pink on my lips with the blue churidar which I'm wearing. It's perfect for the Durga Pujas, for the Diwali, for any guest makeup, for the wedding. I was going on for an engagement party, so I put up my hair in a bun because it was oily. I hope you have watched my oily hairstyles video. I'm going to link it here. Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, follow me everywhere. So I hope you like this quick makeup tutorial. If you want me to make more such videos, let me know in the comments down below and I will see you next week. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And if you like it, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. It might help them also. And I will see you next time super soon. Mwah! Bye!